In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate and permanently delete your X.com or Twitter account the right way. This is important because on X, deletion does not happen instantly. First, you deactivate the account and then X places it into a 30-day deactivation hold. If you do not log back in during that time, your account is permanently deleted. So if you're ready to close your account, I'll walk you through the exact steps. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open X.com or the X app and sign into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon in the sidebar. This is usually the 3-dot or menu option on the left side of the screen. Click that, then choose Settings and Privacy. This section is where X keeps all of your account controls, security settings, and privacy options. After that, click Your Account. Inside this menu, you'll find the option for account management, including the deactivation settings. Now select Deactivate Your Account. X will show you an explanation of what happens when you deactivate. This is the point where the 30-day countdown starts. If you change your mind and log in again during that window, the deactivation will be cancelled automatically. If you want to continue, confirm your choice and enter your password when prompted. This password step is required to verify that it's really you making the request. After you confirm, your account will be deactivated. At that point, your profile, posts, and account activity will no longer be active on the platform. Remember though, this is not the final deletion yet. To permanently delete your X account, you must leave it deactivated and avoid logging back in for the full 30 days. That is the key part many people miss. If you sign in again before the 30 days are over, X restores your account and stops the deletion process. So if your goal is permanent removal, do not log in during that waiting period. Once the 30 days pass, X will automatically and permanently delete your account. If you're deleting the account for privacy reasons, rebranding, or simply taking a break, this method is the official way to do it. And just to be safe, make sure you've downloaded anything you want to keep before you deactivate, because once the account is gone, your data may no longer be available. So to recap, go to More, open Settings and Privacy, tap Your Account, select Deactivate Your Account, confirm with your password, and then wait 30 days without logging back in for permanent deletion. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.